5 criteria for choosing a location to open an automatic motorbike workshop. Choose the right one, make a sustainable profit. If you are planning to open an automatic motorcycle workshop, the first and most important thing is not choosing the machine, not calculating profits and losses, but choosing the right location. Because in reality, with the same machine, the same way of operation, but just with different location, the revenue can differ by 3 to 4 times. Some shops have a motorbike lineup all day long, but there are also places that can only watch a few dozen motorbikes in 3 days. And after accompanying the implementation of hundreds of Go&Go automatic motorcycle workshops across the country, we have concluded that 5 criteria for choosing the location almost determine 60% of the shop's success. If you understand and choose correctly from the beginning, you will save a lot of time, money, and avoid unnecessary risk. First criterion: location with high traffic volume and easy access. This is a visual factor. The premises should be located on roads with a lot of motorbike traffic, especially inner city roads, densely populated area, near worker dormitories, school, markets, or area with many services. The more people live and well around, the higher the ability to reach customers. In addition, you should choose a location that is easy to pull over, has a wide sidewalk or a yard enough for customers to turn around. Avoid small alley areas with obstructed vision or complex traffic. A good motorbike watch must make it easy for customers to pull in to watch and run out quickly without having to think too much. Second criterion: suitable and airy premises. With Go&Go automatic motorbike washing machine, the ideal areas is from 35 to 15 square meters or more. For a multiplied 10 meters area is enough to place a machine, a reception area, a driving area, a water treatment system, and a waiting area for customers. If the area is smaller, it can still be implemented, but it needs to be arranged very reasonably. However, if you have a larger space, you can take advantage of it to combine additional service, oil change, accessories, drinking water, helmet washing, increase revenue without having to open another shop. Third criterion: good electricity, water, and drainage infrastructure. Automatic motorbike washing machine use 220-volt single-phase electricity. That is, still is electricity but requires a stable, clean water source, pressure of 2 to 3 bars, or more stable operation. If the area has weak water, you should install a booster pump or intermediate tank. Equally important is the drainage system. It needs to ensure that the water after washing drains quickly, does not cause flooding or overflow onto the street. It is the best to have a settling tank or clear drainage ditch. This will not only help the shop stay clean, but also avoid complaints from neighbors or local authorities. Fourth criterion: reasonable rental price and long-term contract. Current rental price vary widely depending on the area. A crowd bustling area can be higher, but most come with a large traffic volume and easy access. It is important to negotiate a long-term lease, at least 2 to 3 years or more, with clear renewal term, because the initial investment cost for an automatic motorbike workshop, including construction, electricity, water, and machinery, take time to recover capital. Avoid falling into a situation when the premises are taken back before the capital is recovered. As with point, it is very difficult to manage it. Fifth criterion: has the potential to expand service and increase revenue. A motorbike workshop should not just stop at cleaning and dusting. Think further. The dust plate has the potential for you to combine helmet washing, selling accessories, changing oil, or serving drinking to customers. For example, just adding the Go&Go helmet washing machine, you can serve a few dozen more customers every day, both earning extra income and creating a different compared to traditional workshop. In addition, area with many shippers, workers, and students who are regularly motorbike washers will help the shop retain loyal customers and generate stable revenue all year round, especially in the rainy season. In short, choosing the right location is the most important strategy step if you want to open an automatic motorbike workshop. A good location will help you to get a steady stream of customers from the beginning, make it easy to operate, save costs, and create a foundation for future expansion. If you have a location in hand but are not sure if it is suitable or not, you can send information to the Go&Go team. We are ready to support the service, advise, and provide the most optimal implementation plan. Don't choose a location based on emotion. Choose based on areas and practical experience, because that is the way to turn your investment into a sustainable, profitable business model.